Rocky Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles north of Wisconsin Dells to 7 miles southwest of West Baraboo, moving northeast at 80 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Portage, Wisconsin Dells, Partyville, and Interstate 90/94 interchange. This includes the following locations: Pine Island State Wildlife Area, Historic Indian Agency House, French Creek Wildlife Area, and Alliant Energy Portage Power Plant. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 10 p.m. for south-central Wisconsin. A tornado warning.